Welcome to Simplifire, a platform designed to drive contract agreement in a spirit of cooperation. On Simplifire, you can create, approve, negotiate, and store contracts digitally. You don't need to use email attachments anymore or to search through your email inbox to recreate the audit trail. It's all in Simplifire. Let's start with your dashboard. This is a list of your past projects focusing on efficiency and cooperation. The metrics we use are collaboration quality, number of loops, and time to close. The idea is to encourage you to keep your contracting setup efficient, collaborative, and simple. This is just a summary. The whole list of projects is itemized here: the good, the bad, and the ugly. The readability of your document is assessed using a standard algorithm. This is to encourage you to keep it understandable by everyone. Let's create a new project with a counterparty. That's the main purpose of the platform. You can do all sorts of processes in Simplifire: contract approvals, negotiations, simplifications, and more. Simplifire is all about driving final agreement of the text of a document, one version at a time. Now you just want to do a simple negotiation. You give the project a name and decide whether or not to use the ICCM contracting standards, which are designed to drive less frictional contracting. You want to create your contract, so you copy-paste some text into the document panel. Want to add an ICCM contract standard? You just search for it using the search functionality on the right. Once you've selected the clause you want to add, you just click to insert the clause directly into your contract. You can add document attachments, which then form part of the audit trail. Ready to share? Here is the party I want to send it to. They are also registered users, and you have them in your address book as a partner. You send it to your partner or counterparty, and an email goes out to warn them that there's an incoming proposal. They're also alerted in the platform. Your partner will respond to it. How do they do that? They log into the tool and find the contract you sent, awaiting a response. They click on it and get access. Okay, here is the text you sent now. They want to make a couple of changes. The first is the price, so they will reduce the price a bit. And the second is to add some text for a definition. So they insert some text and they change another piece of text. They're going to put some comments to both changes. The changes, once they've made them, are listed on the right here, and they can navigate through them if they want to. Now they send their counterproposal back, and you receive the counterproposal through the platform and by email. Here is the email. You can link in there to see what they have changed. It can't be very much because it's about 90% agreed. There you see something is waiting for you, so you go back in and check it out. Here you can see the change proposals and the comments. You don't have a problem with the changes, so you agree them in the system. After that, once everything is agreed, you can agree the whole document. You have a last chance to clean up the document if you need to. Assuming there's nothing to do, both parties have the chance to formalize their agreement by signing the document on the platform. They use e-signature, which is an efficient method for signing, accepted as legally binding in an increasing number of countries. Once the signing is done, the agreed signed document is sent to you by email and stored on the platform. It's as easy as that. You then have the chance to rate the collaboration with the other side, which contributes to the cooperation index you see in the dashboard. In Simplify, you manage who you want to do business with. Group managers decide who they want in their group and how sharing should be done on the platform. Is the group manager allowed to see the whole group's documents or not? As a user, you get to decide who is on your partner network. You can invite new users onto the platform. They can join for free. It couldn't be easier. Feel free to practice this with a colleague You can't break anything. If you're practicing, though, just be careful not to sign and commit to something legally binding. Thanks for watching.